Oh, you can't burp on command. That was ass.
Ooh.
That was not even that good.
Yours was ass.
No? Yeah.
That one's a good one. Yeah, you cannot match that. Excuse me, though. Sorry. Excuse me. Yep, it's all gone, though.
You should do that to John.
That's enough. I actually had to burp. I'm sorry. Good morning.
Application video, and I will love to bring you to Streaming University from Kaisunet.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all.
No, you're good.
I just have a lot of gas in my stomach. How else am I?
Wait, I'm not gonna lie. Or do you do it like on purpose?
It's a skill.
Okay, yeah, but like, how do you get the like the?
You gotta suck in your stomach. Oh.
I know. Okay, hold on. Let me know how I do it. Damn, hold on. Rate me first. You just fucking.
Like it's a skill.
I know, but rate mine first before you do yours, and get more in the middle.
Excuse. Excuse me.
Damn, does that hurt?
It don't hurt.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hey, I'm giving you the attitude that an officer would, alright? I'm gonna be an officer, alright?
Excuse me. Hold on, I need a burp.
Do it.
Excuse me. Do you still like me after that?
I love it.
You do?
I was 2, 3, 4.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Who made that face? Ready?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's.
Do you still like me?
I feel like it's beautiful. I can't lie.
Excuse me. Bro, I'm super sorry if that's a turnoff, but I need to get my air out. How else am I gonna do it? You know? Excuse me. So I won that. That's clear. Anahi won that battle. For real. W's in the chat. Excuse me.
W's in the chat. Appreciate Anahi for popping in.
W's in the chat.
XOXOX.
Oh, she won. I'm like,
Nah, she won.
I definitely won.
that.
Okay.
It doesn't want to come out.
Wait, no, I don't know how to...
I had an echo.
Bro.
Excuse me.
That was a ghost.
I was waiting for that.
What the fuck?